Ay, pagod na. May homework pa. Kailangan ng pampasigla. Ladies' Choice Ham Spread. Ooh! May meaty sarap ng real ham and farm fresh eggs. May omega-3 and 6. Kaya pampasigla nga. Meaty sarap pa. Tapos ang homework. Good job, anak. Ladies' Choice Ham Spread. Meaty sarap, omega sigla. Anak, it's breakfast time! Ay, antok pa? Kailangan ng pampasigla. Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread. May meaty sarap ng real chicken at farm fresh eggs. May omega-3 and 6. Kaya pampasigla na.
Meaty sarap pa!
Ready?
Set! Sigla!
Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread. Meaty sarap, omega sigla.